こんにちは、みかんです。In this lesson, we'll learn a very commonly used Japanese phrase, すみません. I use it almost every day and it's incredibly useful, so I recommend memorizing it. This phrase is actually a bit tricky because it has three main meanings depending on the situation. The first meaning is I'm sorry, the second is excuse me, and the third is thank you. Confused yet? Don't worry, I'll explain how to use each one. But first, let's practice the pronunciation. すみません。すみません。すみません。Some people pronounce it as すいません。すいません。But when writing, すみません is more appropriate. It also sounds a bit more polite. Now let's look at some examples of how to use these three meanings. すみません. If you bump into someone or make a mistake, you might say すみません to apologize, similar to saying sorry in English. すみません。お手洗いはどこですか? You can also use すみません to politely get someone's attention, like when you want to ask a question or need assistance. This is similar to saying excuse me in English. By the way, in Japan, when you want to call a waiter or waitress at a restaurant, you raise your hand and say すみません. While this might be considered rude in some other countries, in Japan, it's perfectly normal. どうぞ。すみません. If someone goes out of their way to give up their seat for you on a train, you might say すみません to thank them for their kindness. In this situation, すみません blends both apology and appreciation, recognizing the effort or inconvenience the other person experienced. In natural English, this can often be expressed as thank you. Japanese culture values humility and consideration for others, so すみません frequently merges the concepts of apology and thanks. 今日も動画を見てくれてありがとうございました。またね。